Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you how we cook our Nigerian oven bake moi moi. So I have already washed and cleaned my beans. If you don't know how to wash and clean your beans, I have a video on that already. So now I am going to be blending my beans. I am going to be using crayfish, and I've added onions and sweet pepper in the beans, and also a spicy pepper as well. So now I am blending up my mixture. I'm going to blend it until the beans becomes very smooth. So now I am done blending my beans and I am pouring it out inside a mixing bowl. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to cooking my moi moi. So now I am adding all the ingredients inside the moi moi. I am going to add my Knorr cube. I am going to add salt. I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoner. I'm going to add oil, and I'm going to add salt as well. And when I'm done adding everything together, I am going to mix it up properly. So this is the foil plate that I'm going to be using to cook my moi moi. I am laying it out inside the baking pan. So now I am going to oil the foil plate just to make sure that the moi moi doesn't stick when you finish cooking it, because if you don't oil it, sometimes when you finish cooking it, it's hard to get it out of the plate. Now I am going to be transferring the moi moi mix inside the foil plate. Now putting egg in some of the moi moi. I'm only going to put the egg in the one I am going to eat, because my children doesn't like to eat the one that have eggs. So so I'm done adding the egg. I'm closing the moi moi up now. water inside the baking pan because I like cooking it with water inside it because it helps the moi moi not to burn. So it's time to put it inside the oven, and I'm going to set my oven on 180 degrees and I'm going to cook it for 40 minutes to 1 hour. So now the moi moi is done. It has been cooking now for almost 15 minutes and is done and is out of the oven now. So I'm going to open some of them up and check them and make sure that they cook beautifully, and I'm happy with the result because they have cooked very nice, and yeah, it's looking lovely and it's smelling very good. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.